today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop email notifications when a ticket is assigned to you in Hubspot. If you're like most people, your inbox is already overflowing. Adding more notifications for every new ticket can quickly become overwhelming. So let's walk through how to manage these alerts effectively, ensuring you only receive the messages that truly matter. Start by heading over to the Hubspot homepage. Open your browser and go to hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, click the login button in the top right corner, enter your credentials, and make sure you're logging into the correct HubSpot account, especially if you manage multiple clients or businesses. After you log in, you'll arrive at the HubSpot home screen. From here, look for the settings icon in the top right corner, usually represented by a small cogwheel. Click it to access your account settings. Inside the settings menu, turn your attention to the left-hand navigation panel and look for notifications. Click on it, and you'll see a detailed list of all your current notification preferences. This is where you can customize how HubSpot communicates with you and minimize unnecessary interruptions. Next, scroll down until you find the tickets section. This area controls all notifications related to HubSpot's ticketing features. This is where we'll make the key adjustment. Under the tickets section, look for the option labeled Ticket Assigned to You. This setting is responsible for sending you an email every time a ticket is assigned to your name. To stop receiving these messages, simply uncheck the box next to this option. By doing this, you're telling HubSpot not to send email alerts whenever a ticket lands in your queue, and that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully turned off email notifications for ticket assignments in HubSpot. This small change can make a big difference in keeping your inbox clean and helping you stay focused on what matters most. Remember, you can always re-enable this option anytime if you decide you want the alerts back. It's all about creating a workflow that supports your productivity. Thanks for watching and happy managing.